This is the way we squeeze the soap during the bath today. This is the way we wash our hands during the bath today. This is the way we wash our face. This is the way we wash our ears during the bath today. This is the way we wash our feet. This is the way we wash our knees. This is the way we wash our arm during the bath today. This is the way we wash our hair. This is the way we rinse it all during the bath today. It feels so good to be so clean. Lili is warm, let's enjoy the day during the bath today. This is the way we dry ourselves. This is the way we comb our hair during the bath today. This is the way we tie our hair. This is the way we smile so big during the bath today.